Alright, this video is going to be Phil's hunt from Saturday. I don't have any footage from the camera that we normally use, just the cell phone. Luckily I was able to get that footage of it, but the deer come in from the uphill side of us, kind of catching us off guard. We were expecting them to come from the other way, and so we'll pick it up when the deer pop out. I tried to alert Phil that they were there, and he saw them about the same time that I did, and he was able to get stood up, get turned around, and get his bow, and we were able to put it together. He was able to get a good shot off. So I don't have any GoPro video of it, and everything was filmed from the cell phone, which was crazy, but it all worked out. I hope you guys enjoy this one, and we'll see you here in a second in the tree. Bro, I didn't think that was gonna happen. I just looked over and boom, she was right there. Yeah. Oh, yeah, I see what you're saying. Dude, that was sweet though, dude. She didn't go very far. I know you did. Yeah. Man, I thought for a second we might be able to pull off a double. I filmed this one on my cell phone because I couldn't get the camera turned around on them because they popped up so fast. It was like boom, that was right there. Yeah, uphill. So it was like they were eye level with us. I got no GoPro footage of the shooter, but I got the shot. I know you guys probably can't see this, but we're both shaking. I can feel the tree shaking. Dude, I didn't expect to get anything this morning with the moon like that. Heck yeah, dude. So we just climbed down and we're gonna go check out this arrow. Hopefully I can get this footage flipped around because I started recording with my phone vertically and then turned it horizontally and it didn't flip, so hopefully I can flip it in editing stuff. Yeah, she was scoring a little bit. She took off right up here. She pretty much went straight up right up there and boom. I seen her go down. Oh yeah, she went right up through here. Look, it's right there, it's right there, it's right there, it's right there. This way. See, right there by the base of that tree. And then she went right through here. Not all the way. Yes, sir. Yep. Oh man, she's spraying it out here. Look at that. It's all over. Oh yeah, look at that. Just look at it. All right.